For half bow pose, we will use a strap, or you can use a stocking, a long towel, a dog leash. I'm going to use a bolster, or you could use a rolled up mat with a towel on top. And I'm going to use a block. So check out how I'm placing right beneath my breast line, my body against the bolster here. So this is kind of like right around the bottom of the front of my rib cage. I'm going to loop my foot and readjust myself. So it is important to find how you will feel most comfortable. And notice I go a little bit lower as I find my space of comfort. I'm going to balance the block in front of me so I can rest my head and release my neck as I relax into this pose. The strap is drawn over my shoulder and I've wrapped it around my wrist several times so that my arm can just relax. I don't have to focus on holding the strap or pulling the strap. And I'm not really pulling the strap. I've just found sort of a taut placement for the strap that I can relax into. I feel an opening through the front of my body, down my thigh. My forehead is relaxed into the block. Both legs are relaxing into this pose. And here we go. For the next 3 minutes, we are relaxing, we are heavy in our bodies, and we are not surrendering to thought. We're not following mental pathways. We are following the peace and release of our bodies and following the rhythm of our breath, connecting to our internal heartbeat as we move into quiet. Gently release the strap. Allow the foot to go back and down to the ground. Slowly release the block Bring your hands beneath you and push the ground away. Push yourself up onto all fours for just a moment and sit back into child's pose. Ooh. What a wonderful opening it was. And when you're ready, come up to sitting. Find your position again on the bolster. Whatever feels right for you, for your chest, for your rib cage. Send the strap back to your foot. Bring it over your shoulder and draw your foot up towards your glutes gently, just holding a taut strap. Balance the block at an angle in front of you and rest your head on the block. We're now resolving to stay still in our bodies, resolving to stay still in our minds, connecting to and returning to the rhythm of our breath, the rhythm of our heartbeat, and the vibratory energy that radiates through our body as we let go and enter quiet. You might find that it feels right to make small adjustments to your strap, small adjustments to your body as your body changes and opens, as we begin to affect the deep fascia and the deep muscle. Gently begin to release the tightness of your strap. Send your foot down toward the mat. Place your hands next to you on the mat. Release the block and push up and back down into child's pose. Chest goes toward the earth, forehead toward the earth, hips are back, sitting on the heels. Relax the body down, push the mat away and extend your spine back behind you. Inhale and come up to all fours. And you know what's next? A little cat-cow, of course. So we can move our props out of the way, make some room on our mat. Place your shoulders beneath your elbows, knees beneath your hips. Lower your belly, lift your head and take a deep inhale. Exhale, push the ground away, arch the back. Circle your hips around your knees to the right. And then switch directions and circle your hips around your knees to the left. Return to cat-cow at your own pace. And when you're ready, curl your toes under and push your hips up for down dog. Step forward a little bit. We're going to shorten our dog. Lift your right hand up over your head. Take an inhale, exhale, and send it through to your left leg. This is a gentle twist. Take a breath there and then switch. Place your right hand back on the ground and lift your left arm up overhead. Take an inhale, exhale, and loop it through to your right leg. Making connection there for this gentle twist. And then place your left hand on the ground. Step forward and gently come up to standing, taking a big exhale with arms up overhead. Release your arms and shake it out. This has been Devin with Present Day Yoga. Namaste. Thank you. Goodbye.